Joy English, we offer a step-by-step English program starting from grade 1. We begin with basics like letters, phonics, and simple conversation, gradually building up to real-life English skills. Our classes are taught in 80% to 100% English, helping students develop strong listening, speaking, reading, and writing abilities. We also make learning fun with cultural activities, helping kids explore different cultures and build confidence in using English every day. As they progress, students can take the JEPT and later the GEPT exams. Join us and start your child's English journey today. Step by step, learning for lifelong confidence. Welcome to Joy English.